Hello friends, I am Vaibhav Upadhyay. Today's paper craft is 4-side boomerang. Let's start making it. Join these two edges. Make a small crease. Unfold it and join these other two edges and make another crease. Now take your little finger and put on the center. Now see the point away from the center point and fold the paper to that point. Make a nice crease. Unfold it. Now you will notice the line intersecting here. So at the intersecting point, fold this next paper. Make another crease. Now same with all these sides. Now one time fold all the corners, and now the one thing you have to do, at this line fold your paper like this and make a crease. When you make a crease, it will look like it. Now press it like this and tilt it towards this direction. You will get an extra fold here. See, when you tilt like it, you will get an extra fold here. Now do the same thing with all the sides. Make a nice crease on all the sides. Now one thing you have to do, fold the whole paper to the center intersecting point. Mention that this paper should not come. So put a finger here and join to the center. Join, and here press with your finger. Unfold it. Now same with other sides. Now you see we have folded all the sides. Now pull the sides, you will get a pocket here. Press it and make a nice crease. Same with all sides. You see, we have made all the creases. Now push these. You will get something like this. Now fold the paper. This flap you have to fold. Same with all the sides. You see, we have folded all these flaps. Now, rest work we have with the tape. Till that time, fold all these flaps under these. Like that. Now, take a small piece of tape, turn it over and paste it here. You have to paste all four sides. We have pasted all the sides. Now turn it over and we have to paste these flaps. You see that these flaps are like this, so we have to paste it. Now put a tape like this and paste it. As you notice, we have pasted these flaps. Now, now again we have to paste these two flaps. So let's start. Now we have to paste this side. So friends, we have pasted all sides, and with this our boomerang is also ready. So let's check it. First freeze these flaps. And as you see, it really comes back. This is very enjoyable. We launch it in this two fingers, put a flap and launch it like this. It is very enjoyable. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.